Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is differentiation of exponential function. Type of exponential function e power f of x. When you take the derivative of this function, you write the whole function as it is and then multiply with the derivative of the power. So whatever you have in the power, you take the derivative of that power. So after taking the derivative, it will give you f dash of x. So this is how we take the derivative of exponential function. Let's consider a few examples. It is e power 3x. When you are taking its derivative, you write the function as it is and then you multiply with the power. If derivative of power is simple, you can directly write its derivative, which is 3 into e power 3x. In this example, y is equal to e power minus x. And when you are taking the derivative of such exponential function, you write the function as it is, whole function as it is, then put multiplication sign and take the derivative of the power, which is minus 1. So simplified answer is minus e power minus x. And in further examples, if some number is multiplying with the exponential function, we call it as a coefficient. Whenever you are taking the derivative, so your concern is with the variable. Here we have exponential function. So we're going to take its derivative. 3 would be as it is because it is multiplying with the exponential function. Then we follow our rule. Rule says exponential function as it is. And then we take the derivative of the power, which is 2. When you simplify it, you'll get the answer 2, 3 times 6. And this is the answer. Okay. In next example, we have e power 3x plus 4. And in derivative, we write the exponential function as it is, and we then multiply with the power 3 e power 3x plus 4. This is our answer. In next example, dy by dx is equal to exponential function as it is, multiply with derivative of the power, and in the power, the derivative is only minus 2. So answer is minus 2 e power 3 minus 2x. In next example, this expression consists of two terms. The first term is x square and its derivative is simple. By using the power rule, you multiply power with the coefficient and subtract 1 from the power, and it is 2 minus 1 is 1. Next term of this expression is exponential. We write the exponential function as it is, and then we take the derivative of the power, which is 2. So finally, our answer is 2x plus 4e power 2x. Let's take the derivative. It is dy by dx, and we take the exponential function as it is, and then we multiply with the derivative of the power, which is 2x plus 1. Then simplified expression is, so this is our answer. In next example, we have whole power 5. We use the rule. The rule says, first of all, we multiply power with the coefficient, which gives you 15, and the term which are inside the bracket would be as it is, and we subtract 1 from the power. Then you put multiply sign and then take the derivative of the function which is inside the bracket. And this inside bracket function is of the form of exponential. Derivative of exponential function is e power minus x function as it is, multiply with the derivative of power. This is minus 1, and 1 is a constant number, and we know that the derivative of constant number is 0, so there is no need to write or mention 0. Now simplify your answer in an order. It is minus 15 e power minus x. This is our answer. In next example, sometime we have complex expression in the power. See, how do we take the derivative of, in such case, dy by dx equal to exponential function as it is, and then we can write d by dx 1 minus x square as a whole power, and we'll take the derivative in the next step of this function. Okay, let's see. Whole power will multiply with the coefficient, and the coefficient outside the bracket is 1. Inside the term as it is, we subtract 1 from the power, then we put multiply sign, and now we'll take the derivative of the function which lies inside the bracket. Inside the bracket, it is 1 minus x square. 1 is a constant number, derivative of constant is 0. Then we take the derivative of x square, and its derivative is very simple. It is minus 2x, close bracket. So we have done our differentiation. Further, we need to simplify the steps. We need to write the answer in most simplified form. It's better to do it like this. You can cancel 2 with this minus x, and in the denominator, it is 1 minus x square. When you subtract half from 1, you'll get half minus half, and when you bring it in denominator, it becomes like this. So this is our final answer. Okay, let me write the answer in proper order. Okay, this is it. I'm sure you'll be able to attempt any exponential function and you can take the derivative. All right. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Take care.